Hello everyone, this is Shrutoshini. I welcome you all to my channel Light of Life with Shrutoshini. Before starting the video, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications about my new uploads, and also if you like the video, please like, comment and share. In this era, there is no one who does not want to be successful. But you will be facing obstacles while walking on the path that leads you towards your success. At that point, you lose your patience. If you really want to get successful in your life, then try to apply these inspiring and motivational words of Acharya Chanakya. Keep faith on your karmas and not on your fate. The fate of Ram and Ravan was also the same, but their destiny was tested according to their karmas. Depending on what their karma was, they got the outcome in their lives. Do not predict the future of anyone by looking into his present situation. Do not ridicule his future. That is because time has that much strength that it can change a simple coal into a diamond. If time sticks with someone, then he can defeat the biggest challenges coming his way. The crow sitting on the mansion of a wealthy person seems to be a peacock, while a starving baby in a poor house seems to be a thief. Acharya Chanakya told a very beautiful thing. Always remember this word in your life. When something good is happening with you, or you are doing something worthwhile, then nobody speaks a word. But when something goes wrong with you, then the dumb people also find words to speak on the matter. The person who takes bath only with water can never be successful. The person who excretes his sweat by doing hard work and emphasizes on his hard work, that person can only be successful in life. That person can change this world. If you want to move forward in life, then become a deaf person. Ignore the words of the people around. Reason? The reason is because most of the people say such words that can break your morale. All the negative words spoken by the people around you makes you a weak person. This is the reason why the words should be ignored. Don't compare your life with the life of someone else. The sun and the moon both shines, but they both don't shine together. The sun shines in the day and the moon sparkles in the night. In life, two types of people stays unsuccessful. One type is those who think what they should do but cannot make it happen, and the second type is those who work without thinking. They do whatever they feel like doing. Until and unless you will show the courage to run, winning will seem impossible to you. Once King Chandragupta Maurya asked Acharya Chanakya, if the fate of a person is already written, then what is the point of trying in life? Acharya Chanakya gave a very beautiful answer to the king. He said, maybe this is written in the fate that if you try, you will be able to accomplish a certain thing, or else you will not. You can blow off a lamp, but you cannot blow off an incense stick. The incense stick is emitting fragrance everywhere. It is not possible to blow it off. We should not think much about whatever has happened in the past, and we should also not feel sorry about it. Not only that, we should not think about our future also. The person who has conscience, who is intelligent, that person always lives in the present. That person gives most importance to the present and tries to live holding on to that. The biggest Guru Mantra is never tell your secrets to anyone. If you do so, it can even destroy you. Before starting any work, always ask yourself 3 questions. Why am I going to do this work? What can be the consequences of this? And the third question is, will I succeed in doing this work? A person becomes great when he does any good work. Any person becomes great through his work and not by his birth. The generosity of a person does not depend on his birthplace. A precious thing that everybody should learn is if somebody wants to do anything, then that person should do it with full concentration and strong willpower. The fragrance of a flower spreads in the direction of the wind. But if a person does something good, then that goodness spreads everywhere. If you throw a bucket in the well and if that bucket leans down, then it comes out only after getting filled with water. The math of life is exactly the same. The person who can lean down today can achieve something tomorrow. There is no need to tell what you want to do. Keep your future plan as a secret from the others like a clever person, and keep yourself motivated in doing this work. To become successful in life, you need to have few dear friends. Always keep this in mind that to get successful in life, just the way you need some good friends, you need some good enemies too. If you cannot earn more, then keep a check on how much you are spending. If your earning is less, you have to spend less. An intelligent person always spends cleverly. Likewise, if you do not know the whole thing about any situation, refrain yourself from talking and first try to understand the situation. It is good to walk alone in the right path of life rather than walking with the people who are walking in the wrong direction. That is, those people whose path of life is wrong. Don't become a part of that crowd. Try to walk on the right path with honesty. If you have to walk alone, then that is completely fine. When you are planning to start something, then do not stop yourself from doing so just because of the fear of failure. Those people who work on with their honest effort become the confident person in front of everyone. The knowledge achieved by a person becomes poison due to lack of continuous practice. The person who cannot defeat you in the race of life by running, that person only tries to defeat you mentally. Acharya Chanakya has taught us many things through his great chapters. He read the thought process and the nature of a person and taught us how to think in such a deep manner which will not come very easily in our mind. Other than this, the formula of how to become successful in life is said in Chanakya Niti. If Chanakya can make a simple Chandragupta, Samrat Chandragupta Maurya, then don't you think that we can succeed in life by listening to his words? We will obviously succeed. We will obviously succeed by learning from Chanakya Niti. We are going to talk about those formulas spoken by Chanakya. If you can apply all these words in your life, then you will also be able to start your own business and make it successful. You will be able to succeed in life. If you are going to start something new, then keep certain words in your mind. According to Acharya Chanakya, we need to keep few things in mind before starting a new business or a project. This is because if we do not think these through, it can be harmful for us in future. The first thing that Chanakya said was positive thinking. Before starting anything, our thinking should be positive and fixed. If you start with a negative mind, then you will never be successful. Before starting any work, keep these words in your mind. Real time and place is very important to start a work. Always notice the place and time. The third thing which you should keep in mind is the work that you are planning to start. Who is your partner in it? It is very important to know who will help you out. Are you really the favorable one to start the work that you are planning to do? If you are not the right person to do the work, then you are not the person fit for that specific work. In that case, you can lose your second option. If you can keep all these things in mind, then only you will succeed in life. When you start a new work, then you meet various people owing to your work. That is the reason why you have to keep this in mind, that you have to keep control on the words you speak. According to Chanakya, those people who always talk bitter and cannot speak keeping equality, they bring in loss to their own business. Everybody is very active before starting a new work. New work needs hard work. Along with physical strength, mental strength is also required. In this condition, falling sick is a very simple thing to happen. According to Chanakya's opinion, if you take good care of your health while working, then you will suffer less. Hence, along with work, it is important to take care of your health. If you believe in astrology, then take the opinion of your astrologer before starting the planned work. Astrology can say whether you will be successful in the work you are planning to start going through your horoscope. If you are married, then obviously take the opinion of your life partner under consideration. Even if you think that your life partner does not understand your line of work, still you should let them know. Keep the next Chanakya Niti etched in your mind forever. Chanakya said, whenever you are planning to start something of your own, don't tell that to an outsider. Keep it within yourself. When you will get successful, then the outside person will get to know about it on their own. Success gives answer to every question on its own. And even if you do not succeed, then this will stay inside you. This word is not only for success or failure. Acharya Chanakya said that if you have shared something regarding your business, then the person who is jealous of you can apply it in their own life. That is, they can use your plan to get successful. In such situations, you fall back and your enemies move forward towards success. Chanakya used to believe that if you want to see your business in a certain height, then for that you will have to take some strict and uncertain steps. Until and unless you are taking the risk to do something, till then success will stay away from you. The place and the situation in which you are working, turn it according to yourself. There should be pure air, the chairs and the tables should be comfortable. Keep this thing in mind that you should not get mentally distracted. These were the remarkable formulas said by Acharya Chanakya for business. You can make your life successful and happy if you apply these in your life. After listening to the video, if you like it, then please press the like button. Do not forget to comment and share with your friends.